Hello students, welcome back to history lecture of standard 8th. In last history lecture, we started chapter number 2, Europe and India. Before we continue the chapter, let us revise the previous topics. Students, in last lecture, we studied about various happenings in Europe. Reformation taken place in Europe during the last phase of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century CE, is known as period of Renaissance. Art and literature were given more importance. Johannes Gutenberg discovered printing press so as literature can reach to the common people easily. We also studied about Leonardo da Vinci, an all-round personality of the period of Renaissance. He had mastery in various subjects such as sculpture, architecture, mathematics, engineering, music and astronomy. But he became famous as a painter. His famous paintings are Mona Lisa and The Last Supper. Now let us see in detail how religious reforms were brought during this period. The independent intellectuals attacked the old religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. Means the old religious ideologies were changed by independent intellectuals. Independent means who is not depending on others, and intellectual means intelligent person. They attacked the old religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. The Christian priest means fathers in church are known as priest, looted people in the name of religion. These priests used to take advantage of the ignorance of the people and used to give wrong beliefs to the people by indulging them in unnecessary rituals which people were not aware of. Priests used to loot the people in the name of God by demanding them their wealth. This was due to the religious reform movement. People were made aware of such unnecessary rituals. Due to this movement, human freedom and rationalism gained more importance. Now let us see what geographical discoveries were brought during this period. Geographical discoveries means finding new routes. Previously, people were unknown to the routes reaching different continents. So, they used to discover new routes from one country to another. This process is known as geographical discoveries, means searching new routes. Now, what was the reason for searching new routes during this period? In 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople, present-day Istanbul. This city was the trade route which joined the land routes of Asia and Europe. As these routes were blocked by Ottoman Turks, this affected the trade between Asia and Europe. So, there was a need of finding a new trade route for the European countries to reach Asia. This led to a new phase of geographical discoveries. Now, what geographical discoveries were made during the Renaissance period? Let us see. European sailors went on expedition for the discoveries of new sea routes to India during 15th century. Bartholomew Diaz started his journey in 1487 AD in search of India, but instead he reached the tip of African continent. As I said you, people or sailors during this period used to search new routes. They were not aware of the routes reaching any country. So he found a region which today we know as the Cape of Good Hope. So he couldn't found a route reaching India. Like Bartholomew Diaz, Christopher Columbus set on his journey to India in 1492 AD, but he reached on the eastern coast of the continent of America. Means even he could not found the sea route reaching India. In 1498 AD, a Portuguese sailor, Vasco da Gama, managed to sail past the Cape of Good Hope and reached the Indian coast in Calicut. So, Vasco da Gama was successful to find the sea route to India. Students, now we are going to conclude with this lecture. In next history lecture, we will continue with our same chapter. We will study about intellectual revolution in Europe, revolution in political sphere in Europe, and American War of Independence. Thank you.